Right, here I am down here at the West Paseo. The day is September 19, 2022. Time is 12:07 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. We're into the 48th week of major construction. You see down here they're starting to work on their turquoise planter pieces, getting this fixed up. We'll see how that goes there. They're also got them placed around the planter down there. Turquoise planter in the distance, got those laid out. So starting to work on this today. Let me move on up to my upper level here. Seeing this start to take shape out here. Planter areas are starting to come together. First time I've come and shot in the middle of the day for quite a while. Just decided I would get out and see what they were doing in the middle of the day here instead of just coming down early in the morning. See how this works. Shooting anamorphic today, 1.33 anamorphic Sandmarc lens on my camera today. So I haven't shot this in a little while, I don't believe. Some experimentation, trying something different. You walk on down here to the end, look across into the West Bowl. Down to the West Bowl there, across to the Civic Lawn. Got some stuff going on back over there. I'll probably hit those areas. I'm just going to do sort of a short shoot today. You can see down into the patio areas of the Saguaro Hotel right there. You see those are still pretty much intact. They just knocked out that ground in front of their areas. Over here where they're working on these forms. And these fixed up. I shot down the West Paseo here. So just getting a little bit of this. I'm going to stop this now and move on around. Like I say, this will be just a short shoot today. I think I'll move around to the east end of the project and see what's getting done down there. All right. All right, here I am down at the East Bowl. I'm going to shoot over the fence down here this afternoon. It's noon. Working on the big canopy down here. Continuing to get that fixed up. I'll just shoot just a little bit here. It's going to be a fairly short day today. Pretty hot out now, probably pushing mid-90s. Sun's bearing down on me. You can see ahead there they've got they're getting that ground fixed up, got their rebar in there for pouring concrete in the future. Canopy's continuing to evolve here. Pan around, I don't really see much else activity right down in this area here. Get a little bit of this today. This will just be a very truncated video trip. Kind of hot, just felt like getting out and doing something, so checking out the what they're doing down here. Moving this on along. Really see much else going on. And back up over on the Civic lawn, though you can't really see that much from here. Not that much happening down the Civic lawn either. So I think I might call this good. There's so many trees wanting their way around here. They got his trees down here in my way. Alrighty, all I'm doing is grumbling. So this will just be a very truncated shoot today. Checking out a few things they're doing, and now my goal is to get out of the heat and go get something to eat, I think. Alrighty.